In this video, I show you how I design my own textiles, and I'll show you how I design my own fabric prints from my illustrations of flowers. Hi, my name is Sini. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a fashion and textile designer, and in this video I'm going to show you how I design my own fabric patterns. I have a fashion business which specializes in printed garments, so I'm very used to designing my own prints. So please come and join me to watch me design in this print process tutorial. Hello everyone! So I'm going to do some textile designs today. I've got my coffee here, paper and pens, and I'm going to start illustrating. I have some lovely fresh flowers here that I bought, and I'm going to be drawing from them. So you can have a look how I do illustrations for my prints. I start by doing my line drawing sketch with a pencil. Then I go over my pencil lines with a fine line pen. Now I have scanned my drawing on the computer and I have separated my drawing from the background on another layer, and I will start coloring my illustration on Photoshop. So this is my colored illustration. Next, I'm going to try on different filters on Photoshop. I will generate other colorways as well for my print. Block repeat is the simplest style repeat, and it's formed by stacking the original repeat in a basic grid. Brick repeat is stacked horizontally. The repeat unit is then offset by half in the next horizontal row, resembling a brick wall. Half drop pattern is the same as brick repeat, but the repeat unit is stacked vertically in a column format. Diamond layout is formed by stacking the repeating unit in a diamond shape. Border layout is when the print is placed on the border of the fabric on a roll, so it creates a border. Stripe pattern is when the unit is repeating in a format that creates a stripe. A dot pattern is when the repeating unit is repeating in equal measurements from each other. All over print is composed of a design that is repeated across the entire surface of the fabric. A tessellation is when a flat surface is covered using one or more geometric shapes called tiles with no overlaps or gaps. One-way repeat is when the print is directional and only repeating one way, so the fabric can only be cut one direction. Two-way repeat is when the print direction is two ways, so the fabric can be cut in two directions. Four-way repeat is when the print direction is four ways. All over non-directional is when the print doesn't have any direction and the design is repeated across the fabric. And here I have done multicolor print where I have done two colorways together in one print. Here I'm trying some more filters on my print. Here I'm trying on other colorways and filters of my design. It's always a good idea to show other colorways of your design to show variation. I hope you enjoyed designing prints with me, and I hope you got some inspiration to design your own prints as well. Please like my video if you liked it and you learned something new. And please subscribe to my channel for new content, and that way my channel could grow and I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with a new project. Bye!